And that's how I realized some of my students are not gay. Hello guys, it's Maria from the Una Spanish School, and tonight I want to tell you a couple of funny stories that happened to me in class during my lessons, like many years giving Spanish lessons. I'm gonna tell you 4 of them that happened to me, and they were super embarrassing. But some of them were embarrassing, other ones were like weird misunderstandings. So just like, let's go to the video and I will let you know what happened. I'm gonna recreate the lessons with my super acting skills. So you know, the student is always the person with the glasses. So here we go. We are going to learn about comments in Spanish. You see, in Spanish, orders or comments have to be told differently than in English. But what is a comment? Comment is when you say, for example, tell me, help me, do me. And you know what? I was like completely straight face, like do me, screaming that to my male student. And he just like started laughing, like it was very weird because it was like out of character from him. And I was like, oh my god, what did I say? What happened? It was so embarrassing. I'm like, oh, now I know that in English that is different, so whatever. The second one was more like a misunderstanding between my students and I. ¿A dónde te gusta ir? ¿Cuál es tu lugar favorito? Cuéntame. Disney me excita mucho. Like, it makes you, I didn't know exactly how to explain to my student, you know, like I was just like straight adult talk, you know, this is being horny. So are you trying to say that going to Disney makes you horny? And I know him enough to know like it's not the case, right? So I was like, I don't think you said what you wanted to say. Another one was a very funny conversation my student had with the hotel he went in Puerto Rico. So we were having some lessons, he had enough vocabulary and I encouraged him. He blames me to this day for that. I encouraged him to have a conversation with the hotel staff. And it went something like this. Buenos días. Buenos días. Servicio a la habitación. Quiero desayuno. Claro que sí. ¿Qué plato le interesa comer? Quiero polla. Sir, lo que quiere usted es pollo? No, polla. I think I read it this way. Polla. Sir, right. We just see one dish with pollo. We're gonna assume it's that one. So yeah, basically, people who don't know polla, like, would Bruto flag me? Like we don't even have like that a big of a channel, but we're gonna say it anyways. So polla is penis in Spanish, mostly used in Spain. So I don't know what he got like super involved with polla, and he was like very stubborn with that. When he tells me the conversation, he was like completely like, no, it's polla, I'm so sure what I'm saying. And the staff were super polite, by the way, and they were not like laughing or stuff. They think that it was very very cool from them. And I had another one. This is a common thing that happened to me. So it goes something like this. Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Qué hiciste el fin de semana?
Yo y mi novio fuimos a Sunset Boulevard.
Ok, qué bien, muy bien. ¿Cómo la pasaron? Muy bien, me imagino. Súper.
3 days later.
Hi, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo está tu novio? How's your boyfriend?
What do you mean by boyfriend? You mean like girlfriend, right?
I clearly say many times it was a novio.
Oh, well, it was a girlfriend. I'm not gay.
Oh, and that's how I realized some of my students are not gay. Because I have some gay students, so they're like openly gay. And there's some other students who, oh, I'm not gay, so surprise. Those are the kind of things that happened to me in class. Very funny. Oh, okay, the first one was completely my fault. The second one, just remember so you don't make these kind of mistakes in your real life. Remember that being excitado is just being horny, it's not being excited. That's a false friend. It's being emocionado. You have to say emocionado. And be careful with your genders. Sometimes people don't even notice. They're actually using male nouns or instead of female nouns, or female nouns instead of male nouns. So that can happen. Okay, those were like the funny, weird moments, things that happened to me in class. Okay, have a nice night and see you in class. Bye.